right, students, our goal for today is to use symbols to show greater than, less than, and equal to when we are comparing numbers. So if you look up here, this is our greater than symbol, greater than. It always looks like this. Now this down here is our less than symbol, and it always looks like this. It always faces that direction. Now the reason why is because if you look at our greater than symbol, when we're reading a sentence, a math sentence from left to right, we're going to say 16, and then I know that's the greater than symbol. 16 is greater than 10. Is that true? Yep, 16 is greater than 10. Okay, now down here we mixed up the numbers. 10 is less than 16. We still have to read the number sentence from left to right, so we say 10 is less than 16. The less than symbol always faces this way. One way that I like to think about it is as if the symbol is a hungry alligator. So we have his mouth is open and he's trying to eat a number. Now he's always really hungry, so he wants to eat the number that is greater, the number that is more. So he's always trying to get and facing the number that is greater. Again, here we see our alligator in action. We have 23 is greater than 14. The alligator is trying to eat 23. Here we have 68 is less than 171, and the alligator is facing the greater number over here. Then down here we have 2,000 is greater than 1,000. Now the alligator is facing this way, so he's trying to eat the greater number. Last but not least, we will be using the equal symbol. So you can have a number over here like 10, 20, 21. Okay? And then over here, you'd have to have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay? So we have 10, 20, 21. So, and then we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So really, on both sides, we have 21 equals 21. We have the same amount on each side of the equation, even though it might look a little different. Now, I got these resources from a super great video I had wanted to show you. So if you want to go watch it, you could follow the link on our class website. That's at BrainPop Junior. And I got you all access if you use the username LROD1st and the password first with the number 1. You can see all the videos. And then I want you to go in and find the one in Number Sense that's called Comparing Numbers, and then you will get to watch the super awesome video yourself. I am on page 411 in your Go Math workbook. So if you turn there, you could either kind of do this with me and choose your own numbers, or you can just watch me do it. This isn't one of the required pages to do. So I'm going to show you how to do this page. It says to use 10 sticks and cubes, draw quick pictures to show your work. Write the numbers to compare. So if I look down here at the bottom, there's a little space and then, ooh, a symbol. That is, do you know what symbol that is? That's a less than symbol. So some number is less than 36, because I can see the little alligator mouth wants to eat the 36, so it must not want to eat my smaller number. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and think of a number that's less than 36. would have to have, I think I'll do 2 10s and 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. How about we do that? Okay, so that was the number 25. 25 is less than 36. Okay, let's look at the next one. Some number is equal to 36. Ah, I know this one. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to show 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, and then right there on the line, I'm going to write 36. 36 equals 36. Okay, next one. Some number is greater than, right? 36. I can see that the alligator mouth is open to whatever number I'm going to choose. So I have to choose a number that is greater than 36. Now don't get too crazy here. I'm going to do, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81. Okay? Try to keep your number less than 100. Otherwise it gets like crazy. Okay? So then, gotta remember what number I made, right? And write it down here on the line. 81 is greater than 36. Okay? Now, you do kind of have to do 36 equals 36 because those are the only kind that equal each other. But you can choose your own number that's less than 36. You can choose your own number that's greater than 36. So if you want to give that a try, feel free. Otherwise, we're going to move on to page 412. I am on page 412 in your Go Math workbook now. And if you look down here, it says use 10 sticks and cubes, draw to show each number, write less than, greater than, or equal to, complete the sentence. So if you look up here, these are kind of our examples to help us out, okay? We don't just trace them just to trace them. We trace them to help us figure out how we're going to do this up here, and then how we're going to do the same kind of thing down here on numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we look up at the top here, we have 10, 20, 21, and then we also have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, you're going to trace way better than me. Okay, and I know the 10s don't really help me decide, but the 1s definitely help me decide. The 1s helped me decide that 21 is less than 24. So I'm going to do my symbol like this. 21 is less than 24, and then also we have these words down here where it says is less than, and you are going to be writing those words down in the questions below. Okay? Also, the next problem we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Wait, 24. So 24 is equal to 24. They look different, but it's still the same amount. Okay? 24 is equal to 24. And then over here we have 10, 20, 30. And the other number is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Hey, right away I can tell that 30 has more 10 sticks. So 30 is greater than 24. Okay? Now I want you to try that down here. You need to draw the 10 sticks and 1s. So draw 10 sticks and 1s for 28. Then also draw 10 sticks and 1s for 35. Try to kind of keep them on separate sides so you don't get them mixed up. And then you have to fill in the correct symbol and also write the words on the line. You're either going to be writing is less than, is equal to, or is greater than. All right, good luck with numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are on page 413 in your workbook. So if you look up here, it says write less than, greater than, or equals to. Draw a quick picture if you need to. So we have number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9. Those are the directions for all those. Now when we get down here to number 10, if you have a device that can read a QR code, you sure could scan that and watch the Math on the Spot video. It won't be the exact same problem, but remember, they can still help us out. So I'm going to go ahead and read you the problem though. It says Gil and Rob win tokens in a game. Gil has 86 tokens. Rob has 61 tokens. 70 tokens are needed for a prize. Who has enough tokens for a prize? Write the number. So you're going to write the number of tokens that is greater than 70. So the number of tokens that either Gil has or Rob has. Now if you come down here, it says write numbers to solve. So you get to choose your own numbers. Number 11 says 96 is equal to some number. Write the number in the blank. Number 12 says 53 is, ooh, do you know that symbol? Greater than some number. You get to choose the number that goes over here. And then just keep going with that pattern. 83 is less than some number. Okay, and just keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And then you're done for today. Now, next week, you will be doing, page 415 and also page 416. But I would really like you to wait to do those pages next week and make sure that your brain kept all this information in there. So, if you have any questions when you get out your workbook on Monday to do page 415 and 416, just go ahead and watch this video again, and it'll help jog your memory. All right, good luck with your math.